a job today in Leonay, and today we're doing getting all the customers' sockets, phone sockets working with NBN. They're an elderly couple, and they want their sockets working again. Now, in addition to that, they've got this old bell system here that rings. So I'm going to do some wiring, and we're going to see if we can get this bell working for them. So when they're out the backyard, it can work, because currently they've just got one phone plugged into the back of the FTTC modem, and that's not good enough for them because they've got multiple sockets throughout the house and they want them all to work. So today we're going to get all this working and get the customers happy. So now we've just installed his tap out socket. So this one now, we've put the leading cable directly to here, and now we've got another cable feeding from this one to feed back out through to the other sockets in the house. So what we're going to do now is we're going to introduce the dial tone into this one, and then this one here will then connect to the other cable internally inside the house, and then that will go through to all these other sockets. And then this one here is for his fax machine in this room, and we're going to move his mobile base station out into the hallway where they want it, because it's got a light on it and they can see it when it rings, and the answering machine also flashes as well, so they couldn't see that when it was in here in the office. So now everything is pretty much how they want it. So all their sockets in the house are working, all 5 sockets, and the bell is working too. So we're going to have a happy customer. So we'll plug all this in now and get it all tested, all make sure everything's working. Down to the phone port there. You can see I've just put a brand new lead in for him, and that's running down the back here. Now we're going to plug that lead into this one, and that's going to give the dial tone from the modem to the socket here. That's going to send the dial tone through to the other sockets, and then this one's paralleled under here, so then it comes up here as well, so they can have a dial tone in this one too. So if he wants to plug his fax or another phone in that, they can. And that's it, job done. Now you can see you've got the bells ringing. It's all working fine.